Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Big Get certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's see what the question we have today. And the question is, hello, which one need to be posted from this screenshot? Ad copy one, good CTR at low CPC, but the conversion rate is also low, and cost per conversion is 320 Indian rupees. The second is ad copy low CTR and high CPC, but the conversion rate is also good, and cost per conversion is low at 204 Indian rupees. In such case, which we need to pose and create new and expert guidance need in this, please give your suggestion. So in case if you see the both of these campaigns, the campaign number one, where we have 17.86% CTR with the average CPC at 13.95, and the conversion rate is 4.35%, and the cost per conversion is 320 rupees Indian rupees. And in the second scenario, you can see that the CTR is low at 7.34%, and the CPC is high, and but the conversion cost per conversion is good at 203 rupees, and the conversions are also good. So based on this data, we can see that the second company is performing well, but I think that it's too early to determine which one is working well. I think that we may need to give sufficient time to both of the companies. I think that running for a 24 hours is not a good idea, but we may have to give a week, because there are different time of the days, and the performance varies. I have seen companies where Thursdays are very good days, and for some the Monday is very good day, and for some weekend are very good, and for some weekends are very worse. So we have to give the both of them a week to determine what exactly is good. If you ask me, the second CTR 7.34% is also a good CTR, and 17.86 is a slightly high, slightly abnormal CTR. So I believe that the CTR wise, some think fishy, I assume, is going over here, unless until it's a data you may need to work around on. But based on the data at 115 clicks and 38 clicks, I think that you have given us sufficient time to the above first campaign, but you haven't given the sufficient data to the second campaign, because I think that both of them should have equal clicks to determine exactly what is working well. So based on this data, I am going to give the second campaign more time, and if at the more time, let's say if at the 115 clicks, if the cost per conversion retains at the same rate or lower than the above one, then I think that we should go in with the second campaign and not with the first, because the first one could have some uh, fishy thing over here, or some click frauds over there, or I because 17.8% is slightly high. So I hope it answers your question. In case if you need our services, the details are in the description on how you can work with us regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or SEO services. And in case if you like this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.